So we had Chef Mickey's, and to be honest with you, I'm not really excited. The food was subpar. The atmosphere is really cool. I can say that I do love that. Not bad for a birthday celebration, but food quality, I wouldn't pay it. Husband?
There were certain things about it that were really good, certain things that were meh.
I think the atmosphere is cool.
The atmosphere is neat. Yeah, you get to see plenty of characters. They come around.
Kids have fun.
The kids are having a great time. I think it's more geared towards kids, a little less geared towards good food. The pot stickers were pretty decent.
Yes.
The chicken, the sesame chicken was pretty good. Or sweet and sour chicken, I forget which one it was. The desserts are subpar.
You definitely come here for the experience, not the food. Do not
Yeah,
get that
the
out
green
of
beans are really good. The pot roast was a little underdone.
Very underdone.
The
It's
salad
good.
was good. The breads are weird. But it's all to what you like, you know, so it's all you can eat. So you can eat all you want.
Let's see the little one.
Liam, how do you feel about Chef Mickey's?
Good.
Good? Did you like the food?
Yeah.
What?
The wait staff.
Or the teacher how I like not to make this place off right now because I want my dad to turn it on.
No. The wait staff is great. They're very attentive. But it's a buffet, so you get buffet. Now for 3 of us was $180. I mean, would you pay that out of pocket for this? I wouldn't.
Nope.
But
But it was fun.
you could spend $180 a lot better. You could go to Golden Corral, get the same thing. You spend a
So
lot
it's all
less.
for the experience.
So there you have it. It wasn't bad. It was fun. Not happy with the food, but definitely check it out. It's worth it at least one time. And we'll be doing sci-fi dinner tomorrow night, and we'll let you know. Bye.